The Honeywell Top-Fill Cool Moisture Tower Humidifier with Digital Humidistat blends a series of convenient and efficient features, giving you a pristine breathing environment. The humidifier is suitable for large rooms and features a cool, invisible filtered moisture. The 1.5-gallon capacity tank runs for up to 24 hours with an auto shutoff when empty and comes with 2 easy ways to fill, via the humidifier or the sink. The inclusion of a programmable LED digital humidistat with 12-hour timer will provide an accurate measure of the surrounding levels of humidity and comes with easy-to-use top panel digital controls. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.